I'm Ikansh and you're watching The Awesome Art. I'm so sorry guys that I was not uploading for so long, but now I'm here with a new video. So in this video we'd be learning about how to create a login page using Python. So if you do not know what Python is a programming language and it can be used to create chatbots like Google Assistant, which if you say hi to it, it will reply in a hello message. Well, we are not creating a chatbot right now. We're creating a login page, and the code for this video would be available at my website, which is theawesomart.wordpress.com. So let's just get started. So just for the thing, we'd start by writing a print statement, and we'll print login, login, and you may see that login is now printed on the screen. Now go down and type print again, and now we do this for just for decoration, and there we go. Now it's also printed. Now let's just create a variable named a and assign its value to be an input statement, and then enter your username. And what input statement does is it allows you to write your data. Like I have written input statement in this thing, and it's now allowing me to write anything. So now let's create a variable named b and assign its value to be the same, but it would be the password. Input, enter your password, enter your password. There we go. Now we have made a variable a and b. Now create another variable which is c, and this would be holding the value of variable a and b. So just write a plus b. Now what the variable c is doing, let me just show you by printing it, so you can just see what's happening behind the screen. Print the variable c, and now let's just enter username, maybe Ikansh, and the password would be password, Ikansh password. And now here Ikansh password is printed, which is c is printed, and it is showing Ikansh password because it is holding the value of a and b, because a is the username and b is the password. So this is how you do things, but now it's not showing that you are the correct user or you are the incorrect user. So you may just do if. Let's just write an if statement showing if c equals to like Ikansh password, EKANSH PASSWORD, then it should print print maybe like welcome Ikansh, and let's just see this. Now it just asks you for a username Ikansh, and I'm sorry for that, EKANSH, and the password would be PASSWORD. Now Ikansh password, but at this moment the p was small for the password, therefore it did not work. For these kind of things we would suppose to write ELSELs, print incorrect password or username. So now if we search that EKANSH and PASSWORD password, now it's just saying welcome Ikansh. But if you write anything in the username section or anything in the password section, it would say incorrect password or username. So this is not that high security thing, because if you write account, they may do this EKANS, not writing that, and writing ESH and PASSWORD. Then also the thing is Akansh password and it's saying welcome Akansh, but this should not happen. Therefore, just do these things. Make a variable like this, and then write anything inside it. Now add a plus sign, go to this, go here and create this, write anything, and there we go. Just do these things everywhere over the password and the thing. Now copy that, go here in front of Akansh and print this thing. It's actually really hard printing. Paste that and copy that. What did I just do? Copy that, go in between of this thing where the username and the password meet and paste that, and right where the password ends, just print or paste this thing, which is paste that, and now the thing is ready to be wrote. Now as I told you, Akansh password that was not coming, there's a problem in that, which is there is not a plus sign over here, plus, and there should be a plus sign right over here too. Now it should be working. Like as I showed you, I wrote EKAN and I wrote SH PASSWORD, but now it's not showing that because it's Akan and SH password, because that's not the thing written over there. If you write Akansh correctly and then PASSWORD, there's a problem in it, which is Akansh password. So there's a problem in it where it may be anywhere over this thing, which is, I guess, this. Yeah. Now the thing is corrected. Now you may see that EKANSH and PASSWORD is saying welcome Akansh. So that is how you create a login page using Python. But for now it's just for one user. If you want it for one or more users, just copy this if statement, whole if statement, and just go down and paste this thing, paste, but instead of writing if, write lf, and instead of Akansh, write cool guy or something, any username, and for the password write anything you want. So ice, because why not? So it would say cool guy. Now if you write cool guy and the password is ice, it says welcome cool guy. So that is how you create a login page using Python. So let's just make it complete. Decoration, copy that, and the source code for this thing would be visible at my website, which is theawesomart.wordpress.com. So you may just go and check it out there. Thank you guys, that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I also have a Discord channel whose link is given in the description down below. So Meet you guys in the next video.